Back to the ball game. Tayo dadaw na sa ating third quarter, 46 to 34. At the three, ayan na, Philip Volante. Obis to Jeng Jeng. Cardenas to Tobis, top of the keep for 3, wala. Iwan by Angel. Angel, Ano standing sa ano? Ano standing sa Prada? Ayan. 0-4. Di meron ba? Wala pa ba? Soon. Antay lang, meron na yan. Oh, good. Okay, 46. 4:37 tayo. Alley-oop to Joe. Oh, good. Ayan na si Angel. Pass to Philip. To Alfonso. No good. Oopsie. There's a foul. Number 7. Paul. Fade away shot. No good. Rebound by Joe. That's a 3, no good. To Joe. Binabrasa sa loob ni Joe. Yanga. Briones. Gawad Eric for 3, no good. Rebound by Paul. To Tobis. Jeng Jeng fake. Using the board, wala. Rebound by Kenneth. Where's a foul? By Jai. Basket by Kenneth. Tobis. For 3, no good. Ayan na, all the way. Basket. Malaki na ang kalamangan ng Ducks. Pass to Kagawad. Pull up J. Basket. Ball to Cheng Cheng. Pass number 8. Using the board. Basket by Ben. Jai short. Rebound by Angel. Angel using the board. No good. Rebound. Chedoro. Alley-oop. Uy. Pass to Jeng Jeng. Volante. Volante for 3. No good. Jai. Wala. Basket. By Angel. Shooting on the line, jersey number 13, Angel. Basket. Time remaining 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Base to Paul. 4-3, short, rebound by Ivan. Kagawad Eric, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Kagawad. Pass to Angel, no good. To Ivan, side step. Ooh. Time remaining 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Shooting the line by Paul Cardenas. No good. Basket. To Jeng Jeng, 4-3, yes sir. 3 points. 3 points na po. Ayun na, babawi si Kagawad Eric. 4-3, no good. Rebound by Ivan, no good. Steal by Bien. Pass to Paul. Back to Paul. Easy, 2 points. Ganda naman ang pasanon para sa Ducks. Volante from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound by Yanko. Back to Bien. And there's a foul. Time remaining 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Your shot is good. Oh, good. $60-43. Ivan sa loob. Bad pass. Basket para kay Bien. Jervin. Jan. Ivan from elbow 3. No good. There's a foul. Arthur. Salvador to Kaberks. Kaberks using the board. Basket. (45-61). Serrano, backdoor pass to Paul. Ooh, no good. There's a foul. That's 4 minutes. Villamayor. Wala. Up. Pasok daw. Sorry. Last 4 minutes sa ating third quarter. Let's go. Jan. Pass to Kaberks. Kaberks. Matake. Wala. Rebound by Peter. Steal by Jan. Behind the back. Arthur. No good. Pakakuha. Arthur. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 4. Why? No good. Rebound by number 20. Steal by number 4. Go to number 24. Fadeaway shot by Serrano. 64-45. Angel, fadeaway shot, and one! Grabe, walang kupas. Ang Michael Jordan or a Kobe ng Santa Lucia. Angel for 3-point play. Jersey number 13. Basket is good. Official scores 48-64. Paso Serrano. Joe. Paso Peter. Anko using the board basket. Out that pass. Steal by Bien. Paso Joe. Jojo to Peter. Oh, nabitawan ni Coach Peter. Kaberks for 3. Yes, sir. Serrano. Pass to Anko. Steal by Angel. Angel to Kaberks all the way. Ayun na, bumababa na ang kalamangan ng Ducks. Jojo. Garcia. To Anko. Villamayor, reverse layup, no good. Makuha ni Salvador. Pass to Adam. Mangas with a strong drive and there's a foul. Basket para kay Adam Mangas. Last 59 seconds. Second shot, no good. Out of bounds. Black ball. Last 55 seconds. Serrano. Tumira sa tres. No good. Pass to Jojo. Ooh. Jojo Garcia gets the first basket this season. Ayan na. Arthur, reverse layup. No good. Rebound by Peter. Pass to Anko. Ooh, Serrano. Basket is good. John. End of the third quarter. Fisher score 70-54 in favor of the Ducks team. Okay, tayo dadaw na sa ating pinaka-exciting part ng game. Ang fourth and a final quarter. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol ang Warriors dito.
Nasa ano? Meron bang gusto gano'n? Meron pwede mag-spot ko. Para di yan ang tanong mo ba? Ano score?
Parang kailangan ng massage siya. Ano tayo? Saan ka? Ito na. Okay, fourth quarter. Shoutout tayo kay Coach Ador. Coach. Angel. Wala. It's a foul. Volante. Pass to Kagawad, Eric. Kuya Jai. Pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound. Jai. To Volante for 3. Wala. Rebound by Yanga. Kenneth Obis to Briones. Joe, no good. Rebound by Kagawad, Eric. Pass to Volante. Volante, pass to Kagawad, Eric. President for 3. Ooh, no good. Rebound by Joe. Steal. Kagawad, Eric for 3. No good. Rebound. Adam, spin move. Uy. Basket yan para kay Adam Mangnahas. Hanko. Coach P. Ador for 3. Wala. Ibang by Adam. Mangas. Nagmamadali. Adam. Uy, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Bola ng Warriors. Time remaining 8 minutes and 3 seconds. Gets the three, no good. Rebound by Joe. Yanga. Pass to Kenneth. Uy, no good. Ayun na. Jump shot, no good. Rebound. Uy. Smart move by Kagawad Eric. Pass to Volante from elbow three, no good. Anko, advance pass. All the way by Kenneth Tobis.
Number 14, Dustin. Rebound and College.
Anko, 2 against 2. Nice block by Jai. 4-3, no good. Nice shot by Kuya Jai. (72 to 58). Lamang pa rin ang mga nakitim. Hard pass. Ball. Oh, steal by Kenneth. Tobis all the way. Yes, sir. Pull-up jumper by Kagawad Eric Tenorio. Balik sa 14 Kalamangan. Tobis for 3. Yes, sir. There is a foul.
Foul, just number 2. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Derek from elbow 3, no good. Rebound. Paul. Lawrence. Pass to Kagawad, drop pass to Angel. Sorry, that's Jerry Nuke. Yes, ba Jerry pala yun. Oopsie, bound bust.
Basketball. foul. First team foul. In the finger end. Kagawa Patrick Lewis.
Shoutout kay classmate JD Liano. Maraming salamat sa 10-star. Ball for 3, no good. Pingol. Pass to Kuya Jerry, no good. Hustle by Lawrence Pingol. Tobis. Ball for 3-point para kay Paul Cardenas. Pingol. Lawrence. Angel. Former Kagawad Eric. Pass to Angel. Catch and shoot. Basket is good. Kenneth Tobis. Pass to Kagawad Pamboy. 4-3. Short. Rebound by Angel. Pass to Paul. Paul to Lawrence. Uy, reverse layup. No good. Rebound by Kenneth. Tobis. Basket. What a finger roll by Kenneth Tobis. Lawrence. Pingol to Angel. Back to Lawrence. Kagawad. Eric. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Lawrence. Ang lalim yan, pare. No good. Rebound. Ayan na. Pamboy de la Cruz. Naglaban na parehas. Former Kagawad. Kagawad Pamboy de la Cruz. Ayan na si Paul. No good. Rebound by Kenneth. Pass to Jeng Jeng. Chedoro 4-3. Wala. Out of bounds. Time remaining 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Picoro. Pass to Adam. Salvador. To Picoro. Angan-angan to Adam using the board. Yes, sir. Out of bounds. Turbine. Okay, last 2 minutes tayo. No good. Number 4, binigay. Salvador. Uy. What a nice up and under ni Yoyo sa ere. Pumupo pa. Kagawad Pamboy. Pass to Angeles. Kagawad. Nasa loob. Steal by Kabergs. Kabergs nagpapadali. Pinagang ay Arthur. Para nice extra pass. Uy, here's the board. 15 na lamang ang nahabol. Angeles to Serrano. Pass to Pagawad. Pamboy, pinasa corner. Gets the three, no good. Rebound by Jan. Ay na mangahas. Nakalusot si Adam doon. 85-72. Down by 13. Last 45 seconds. Serrano. Pass to Serrano. From corner, no good. And out of bounds. Time remaining. Last 30 seconds. 4-3. Short. Time remaining. Last 26 seconds. Jervin, 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Angeles. Jeco. Last 14 seconds. Jeco. Cagayan. Ayan na, inubos na lamang ang oras. Last 3 seconds. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. And congratulations para sa ating Ducks team. Our final score, 72-85. Panalo po ang Ducks team. And a nice game para sa Warriors. Hanggang sa muli, shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood at nanonood pa sa ating live. Magandang gabi. At magkita-kita po tayo sa ating next video. Hanggang sa muli, and God bless everyone.